Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Bitcoin trading with Coinbase step by step clearly. Create your Coinbase account by visiting the Coinbase website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address, create a strong password, and select your location. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once verified, provide your phone number for two-factor authentication. Enter the verification code sent to your phone. Complete your profile by entering your personal information as required. Link a payment method to fund your trading account. You can choose to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Ensure you familiarize yourself with Coinbase fees associated with each payment method. Once your payment method is linked, deposit funds into your Coinbase account. Monitor the market trends for Bitcoin using the platform's built-in tools. Navigate to the trade section to begin buying Bitcoin. Select the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Review the transaction details, including fees. Confirm your purchase to execute the trade. Once you own Bitcoin, consider setting up stop-loss orders to manage risk. Regularly assess your trading strategy based on market performance. Utilize Coinbase Pro for advanced trading features if you become more experienced. Keep track of Bitcoin price predictions and news to inform your trading decisions. Consider diversifying by exploring other cryptocurrencies available on Coinbase. Utilize the Coinbase Earn feature to potentially increase your assets by learning about new coins. Review your trading history regularly to identify patterns and improve your strategy. Stay updated on regulatory changes that could impact Bitcoin trading. Remember to implement security measures to protect your account, such as enabling biometric authentication. As you advance, consider keeping a trading journal to track your progress and strategies. Continue educating yourself about technical analysis to better predict market movements. Always trade within your risk tolerance to ensure a sustainable approach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.